Hey guys, so today we are reviewing these Lego knives. So I built two of these, and once again, like in my last video, the link is in the description. They're pretty simple to make, but in the video, you have to. It doesn't have these plates in the video, so try and find these like 2x4 pieces if you want to make it smooth, the top of the knife. And if I take this apart, it's actually pretty simple. It's a 3-piece 1x4, 1x2, one of these 1x1 flat pieces, and then one of these. And it's just a bunch of these two bricks, this, and then one of these. And then right here is another 1x1 flat tile. This is a 1x1 regular tile. This is another 1x1 flat tile. And then put them together. You open it up. And it's pretty much Lego knife. So, like I said, I built two of these. So, what you can do if you build two is right here, you can connect them. So, yeah. Well, that was my review. I hope you enjoy. Bye.